What is MongoDB? Alright, let's picture this. You are building a web application that stores user profiles, products, or tasks. You need a place to save all that data, right? That is where a database comes in. MongoDB is a NoSQL database that stores your data in a flexible JSON-like format. Unlike traditional databases like MySQL or Postgres, which stores data in tables and rows, MongoDB stores data in collections and documents. Each of these is stored as a document in collection, kind of like a folder of similar document. So how does MongoDB differ from SQL databases? Let's compare using this analog. For SQL, we have tables, rows, and columns, but for MongoDB, we have collections and documents. And for SQL, they have fixed schema or strict structure. But for MongoDB, it is flexible and fields can have different types. And for SQL, it is good for structured data, and for MongoDB, it is great for dynamic data. Imagine SQL like Excel spreadsheet. Every row must follow the exact same column format. But for MongoDB, more like a folder of JSON files. Each file can have its own structure. So why is MongoDB popular in modern development? That is a great question. Developers love MongoDB because one is it is schemaless, so you can prototype fast. And also it uses JavaScript style syntax, and that is JSON, which pairs beautifully with Node.js and Express. It also scales easily for big data and distributed systems. And lastly, it plays well with main stack, and that is MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. Let's have this question. Why do you think using a flexible database like MongoDB might help during early stage of building startup project? The answer is that you can quickly change your data structure without rebuilding your entire backend. That's the power of MongoDB. Let's have a quick recap. MongoDB is a NoSQL database that stores data as flexible document, and that is JSON-like. It doesn't need predefined tables or columns. It is perfect for apps with evolving or complex data, and yes, it is the M in main stack, and that is MongoDB. The next video, we will differentiate between MongoDB and Mongoose.